Hello, good to have you once again. In this video, we are to simplify root of 128 minus root of 50 plus 2 on 3 root of 162. Now, before I get into the solution, if you are new on this channel, please don't skip this video if this happens to be part of the content you are looking for. And also visit my previous videos to familiarize yourself with this channel. On this channel, I solve mathematics, physics, and chemistry related problem. Now, before I get into this solution, I'll be glad if you first of all try this problem and compare your solution to that of mine. Now, to solve this, what we are going to do is that we are going to reduce these numbers, which are 128, 50, and 160, such that we will obtain a perfect square in that number. In other words, we are reducing these numbers such that it will be a multiplication of a prime number and a perfect square. So to do that, you first of all get your calculator and start dividing the numbers by 2. If upon dividing by 2 you end up with a perfect square, then it means that the number can be written as that perfect square times the prime number, or let's say the 2. So if I take for instance the 128, upon dividing by 2 I'll get 64. So what it means is that I can write root of 128 as root of 64 times 2. Then minus, if you pick 50, we'll also want to find a perfect square out of it. You realize upon dividing 50 by 2, you end up with 25. 25 is a perfect square. And so I can write root of 50 as root of 25 times 2 plus 2 on 3. Now if you also divide 162 by 2, you end up with 81, and 81 is a perfect square since 81 is 9 squared. So this can be written as 81 times 2. Now from the property of surds, it says that if you have root of a times b, this is the same as root of a times root of b. So this is the same as root of 64 times root of 2, all these minus root of 25 times root of 2 plus 2 on 3 multiplying root of 81 times root of 2. And so this will give root of 64 is 8. So 8 times 2 is 8 root 2. Root of 5 is 5. So I'll get 5 root 2 plus 2 on 3 of root of 81 is 9. So I'll get 9 root 2. So this yields 8 root 2 minus 5 root 2 plus 2 on 3. 2 on 3 will multiply the 9, so we'll be left with, so 3 goes into 9, 3, so we'll be left with 6 root 2. So what I'm going to do is that from the properties, or one of the properties of surds, it says that if you have a root b minus c root b plus d root b, it says that this is the same as a minus c plus d, then all root b. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get 8 minus 5 plus 6 or root 2, and that gives us 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 6, that'll be 9. So the final answer becomes 9 root 2. Thank you for watching this video, and please let me know your comment on this video. Bye bye.